Hey loves, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love. Now before we get into this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Shell Love for more amazing content like this. So today we're going to be learning how to make this VSCO GIRL SVG file in Silhouette Studio. And this is also a technique that you can use with any word or phrase. So you want to go ahead and pull up Silhouette Studio. And you want to type out your text. And from there, I'm going to change my font. Also, I'll leave a link down below to where I got this font. The name of the font is called Sugar Pie. Then from there, I'm just going to scale it up. Then we're going to go up to the top and change the color of the outline just for the purposes of this video. And then I'm going to change the weight of the outline to 4. Then from there, I'm going to copy this. And then from there, I'm going to copy my phrase. And we're just going to line it up and zoom in so that you can see better. So from here, I'm just going to make sure it's exactly where I want it. You want it to be aligned center. Perfect. Then from there, I'm going to select the second phrase and then fill in the color. And you want to make sure that second one is on top. So if it's not, you can right click and go down to bring to front. And now it's in front of the outlined phrase. From there, I'm going to select both phrases and then go over to the right side panel and then go down to the modify panel. Then from there, I'm going to select subtract all. Perfect. Then I'm going to move the second phrase out of the way. And then I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more for you. So you can leave it like this, but I'm going to take it a step further, and I want to get rid of this line right here on each of the K's. So I'm going to go over to the left side panel and go down to the knife tool. I'm going to go over to the first line, hit the shift button, and then just drag the knife diagonally down. Just like that. And then from there, I'm just going to delete those lines. Perfect. Then I'm just going to select everything and group it together. And then from there, I'm going to copy and paste 2 times. So let's move this one out of the way. And then we'll go ahead and align the second phrase. And we'll do the same thing with the third one. And then we're going to take our filled in phrase and put that at the very bottom. And then from there, I'm just going to select all of it and right click and group it. So the last thing that we have to work on is the actual bottom. So you hit your text tool and type out your last phrase. Select it and then change the font. I'll also leave this font linked in the description below. The name of it is Moonstone. And then we'll just give it a color for the purposes of this video. Remove that outline. And then we'll scale it up. And then from there, because this is a script font, I'm going to right click and weld it together. And then right click again and group it. Then I'm going to group the entire SVG file together. And there you have it, your VSCO Girl SVG file, or a technique that you can use with any phrase or word. From there, what you can do is go up to File, Save As, and you can save it to your hard drive or your library. We'll save it to our hard drive. And then if you have the business edition, you are able to save it as a SVG file, a PNG, a JPEG, or you can leave it as a Silhouette Studio file. Completely up to you. And then you'll hit OK. And then that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.